Hi, I'm Justin Welsh from Bainbridge Technologies, and today we're here to introduce the brand new Ctek D250S Dual. It's very different from the rest of the Ctek chargers on the market that plug into the wall, in that it's a DC to DC battery charger. It's designed to charge one battery from another battery, or a dual battery kit. It does, however, vary a lot from our standard dual battery kits that we see in our vehicles. It doesn't just join and disconnect the batteries as required, it individually charges them. And how does it do that? Well, the unit itself senses exactly what our second battery needs. So when we start our vehicle, our start battery comes up to 13.8 volt full. The unit then turns on, looks at what our auxiliary battery requires, and applies the appropriate amperage to it. And more importantly, it actually boosts the voltage. It boosts the voltage higher than what our alternator can produce. That means that we can bring our auxiliary battery all the way up to a total of 14.4 volt and effectively 100% charge it, which is something we can't do from our standard alternators in our vehicles. In that process, it goes through 6 stages to make sure that we do have 100% charge of our battery, and then of course drops it back to a nice float charge so that we don't overcharge or boil out the electrolyte in the battery itself. The installation is very simple on these guys. All it is a positive cable that comes out of the positive post of our start battery up into position 1 on the charger itself, positive position 1. From the unit, on the output side, we have positive position 2, and the cable goes straight to the positive post in our second battery. All we have to do from there is earth the unit through the common earthing point on the DC to DC charger itself, of course connecting both our start and our auxiliary batteries to that. The unit itself also has this little guy. Now it's a temperature sensor, which is common across all of our larger Ctek chargers. And what that does is has a look at what the temperature is around the auxiliary battery and increases or decreases the voltage to it to make sure we don't overcharge the battery. That's very important under bonnet, close to turbos like in our patrols where we're going to have high heat. Now the best feature of this guy, of course, is a dual input unit. And what that means is that we can also connect our solar panel to it. It's a solar regulator at the same time. And the simple way to do that, of course, is going positive directly from our solar panel to positive input number 4 and negative to our common earthing point. That now allows us to have both solar regulation and DC to DC charging between the batteries. The unit itself is an MPPT solar regulator, or maximum power point tracking, meaning we're getting the highest efficiency we can for our panels, and both our solar panel and the DC to DC charger can work at the same time the vehicle's running. They're not competing against each other, they're putting in the perfect charge to our second battery. It has great applications in vehicles, like I say, common rail diesels with a low alternator output. Works fantastic in caravans, being able to reduce the voltage drop we have between our start battery and our batteries in our caravans. And in a lot of other applications, camper trailers, machinery, a whole deal. It's a fantastic unit. If you want to view this and all the rest of our Baintek products, jump onto our website www.baintek.com.au. Thank you.